Welcome to Jones Healthcare. In this series of videos, we provide step-by-step instruction on how to assemble our range of adherence packaging. Today we will review how to fill and seal our FlexRx 32-cavity multi-dose adherence package using SynMed automated workflow solutions. Place the blisters into the SynMed tray with the longer top flange directed towards the top of each grid where the pins are located. When all the blisters have been placed, insert the tray into the SynMed machine and follow SynMed instructions to operate the machine. When the filling process is complete, remove the tray as instructed to begin the sealing process. Please note, the following steps will be repeated across all 8 blisters in the tray. When all the required medication has been loaded, place the cover under the pins at the top of the tray with the print side up. Then, fold the print side of the cover towards the spine of the cover. To remove the top portion of the label, snap the liner on either side of the label along the perforation line above the top row of cavities. Fold along the perforation so the top part of the label meets the bottom part of the label. Separate the label into 2 sections to expose the adhesive. Please note, you may now discard the top portion of the label as it is no longer necessary. Orient the label with the numbered side facing up and the folded edge at the top. Center the label over the blister, aligning the folded edge with the perforation line at the top of the blister. With the folded edge of the label closely aligned to the perforation on the blister, steady the positioning of the label in the middle of the tray with one hand. And then, use the other hand to fold back the top part of the label towards the tray. Firmly run your finger over the adhesive area on the label to join the spine of the cover to the top flange of the blister. Fold the label back onto the cover and verify the loaded blister for accuracy. Remove the remaining liner from the label at a 45-degree angle. Then, using your hand, gently apply the label to the blister in a downward motion. Using the roller in a horizontal motion, apply firm, consistent pressure over the entire blister and spine of the cover to ensure that a solid seal is achieved across the surface. To remove the completed package from the assembly tray, grasp the edges of the cover at the spine. Peel the medication summary label and affix to the inside cover. Fold over the cover, and the FlexRx is now ready to dispense. Please note, before dispensing, the pharmacist should instruct their patient on the proper use of the FlexRx. To access the contents of a blister, the patient can find the appropriate time pass, push through the label with their finger, pinch the label, and peel the label backwards to access the medication.
Before dispensing, ensure the pharmacist has verified the medications for accuracy. Please note that the card is not child-resistant and should be stored out of the reach of children. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you're looking to place an order, contact the Jones team today.